This is a crumbler. It can be crumbed pellet feed, as well as for crumbed materials, such as soybeans and corn. It is used to break the larger pellet feed by pellet machine into smaller pellet feed, in order to meet the different pellet size requirements of the livestock and poultry. Commonly used specifications include SSLG, capacity from 1 ton to 20 tons per hour, and can also be customized according to customer needs. Power ranges from 4W to 15 kW. It consists of 2 rollers, a roller distance adjustment mechanism, and a transmission part. The pellet feed flows evenly and stably into 2 rollers with different rotational speeds, inward reverse rotation, and tooth shapes through the feeding part. The pellet feed are crumbed by shear and compression between the 2 rollers, and then discharged from the discharge port. Pellet feed that do not need to be broken are directly discharged from the side flow mechanism. The advantages of Crumbler include high efficiency and reduced energy consumption. It can be used alone, also can be used in a unit. Simple structure and convenient operation, small footprint. Our factory specializes in producing feed machinery for 30 years and has 13 years of export experience. We can provide single machine or complete units according to different needs of users. If you want to learn more information about us, please visit our website. Email